So I have a pretty common looking key fob that's not working. Determined it was the battery. This one's off of Pontiac Vibe, but very, very common with many Toyota vehicles as well. But basically, press down the buttons, nothing's working, no lock, no light, or anything like that. So with a small flathead, we're just going to gently pry it open from the side here. And then I'm going to show you what the inside looks like and show you which battery this uses and how to replace it. Once you've opened the fob, just be careful as you're removing the inner module that you're not offsetting the buttons on the inside. But really, again, with the help of the screwdriver, we're going to pry this little bad boy off, and then we're going to separate the black back plate from the inner module that has the battery. So now we just really have to expose the battery by removing or separating these two pieces, this black piece from this white piece here. So I'll show you quickly how to do that, but basically with the screwdriver, you're just going to be going along the side here and gently prying each one of these little kind of insert pieces. And there you have it. So now that we've got that plate off, the battery basically is very easy to remove once we've gone through all this. If you're not sure what the battery is, usually the battery itself will have that label, but also mine actually has it on the back plate as well. So now that you have that battery, or rather to have it the old battery exposed, simply replace. We're going to go ahead and do that now and make sure everything's working. So once you get your new battery back in, basically just assemble everything back in the same, rather the reverse order of disassembly. Nice thing about these units is they're pretty easy to take apart and put back together. Everything kind of fits like a puzzle. And if it's not working, you'll see the light's not working. So it's a very obvious troubleshoot. But I hope this video was helpful as we put back together and confirm function. But thank you guys for watching. I hope I can make more videos like this one. Please comment for any questions that you may have. Thank you.